In this video, we'll show you how to perform point check, which allows you to test each individual actuator individually. This is good for commissioning purposes and also for fault finding. Once within the point check menu, different actuators can be selected. For example, pump O, the pump outside the heat pump, can be selected and using the on-off button toggled on and off. This is the same for all the other actuators. Also within the point check menu is the test run feature. This allows to run an air purge, test run heating, test run cooling and test run hot water. These can be selected and turned on within this menu.